In this video, we will learn CVC words from the AN family like can, fan, man, and van. Let's read, spell, and have fun together.
A N
N
G
N
G A N
can. Can. Let's repeat it again. Can.
A N
N
F
N
F A N
fan. Fan. Let's repeat it again. Fan.
A N
N
M
N
M A N
man. Man. Let's repeat it again. Man.
A N
N
B
N
B A N
pen. Pen. Let's repeat it again. Pen.
A N
N
W
N
W A N
when. When. Let's repeat it again. When. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.